Zed carry it?
Ow.
You want Zed carry it?
Oh.
I think.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's swimming. Aubrey, touch it. You want to touch it? It's really. It's okay. It's okay. Archie. See, it's okay. I touched it. It's okay. It's okay. Don't, Aubrey. Can't touch it. You can only touch the frog. See? Doesn't hurt. Come on, touch it. It's okay, Aubrey. It's okay. You're scared?
No, do that.
Okay, let's go inside and have pop.